Karnataka star swimmer Srihari Nataraj wrapped up his National Games campaign with 9 gold medals. He was named the best male athlete of the event. In an exclusive chat with the correspondent Narayan Singh, he praised the high level of competition at the Games.
Right now I am joined by Srihari Nataraj, who won 9 gold medals in aquatics, and he remained the best male athlete of the 38th edition of the National Game. You have been there in the swimming for a long time. So currently, how you look this achievement of winning again this prestigious prize?
A month and a half ago or a month ago, I wasn't even sure if I'll swim the National Games. I just got back into training about 2.5 months ago. And I thought, okay, if I swim the Games, I'll come swim 1 or 2 events. So it's quite exciting, and I'm very pleased with the result and the way I swam. I had some really good swims here for the season, for the beginning of the season, and I'm quite happy with the way it went.
How you look that India hosting, the way India is planning, the way they are pushing their bid to host the Olympics?
It's great. It's the biggest sporting event in the world, and it's going to bring in a lot of exposure. Is one of the words I'll use. It'll bring in a lot of attention. It'll bring in a lot of growth to the sports in general in the country, with so much focus being given on sports now in the Olympics. Parents and kids will want to, be there in that home Olympics, because at the end of the day, it is a special feeling to be at the Olympics, and it's even more special when it's at your home.
How you look this thing that the new athletes, the rookie athletes are also participating here, and the Olympians and the Asian Games players also playing in the National Games. How you look this thing, and how this is helping the National Games of India to be of the best in the business?
It's also great that the Olympians and the world level athletes come here and participate. I just saw Satyan came back after a decade-long hiatus from the Games, and he won a gold. It's great because we had a lot of good swims from a lot of other juniors. Of course, my backstroke races weren't brilliant if you compare to my personal best, but Rishabh Das and Akash Mani were quite close to me in the races, and it's great to see that. I haven't had a close race in India since 2017 or 18, so it's always exciting to have that opportunity to have an extremely close race, so it was all fun.
With camera person Manmohan, Narayan Singh, DD India, Haldwani.